Hello everyone. I have this little cardboard piece that I cut out, and it's kind of a rough cut, of course, and then I cut out the center as well. It's not perfect measurement, but it's gonna be okay. And then I got these wooden dowels from Walmart, and I got this right here, which is this gorgeous little piece from Dollar Tree. I love these little guys. I wish you could find more of them. I am using the Reynolds wrap, and I'm taking these little wooden dowels just like this, and I'm just going around with them. I've taken my cardboard piece and just put some Reynolds wrap all the way around it, and at the back it looks not so good. So I've also cut out another piece, and I am just going to be gluing these two pieces of cardboard together to give it some more stability. I'm taking a 2-strand of the diamond wrap and just placing it with the hot glue gun all the way around the sides. Using hot glue and some E6000, I've added my 8 dowels. I've taken some of this diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree, and I've just placed it on either side, just all the way around. And then I've taken 1 strip of this black diamond wrap, and I think I got this from the Wish app. And I am just going to go around each of these little guys right here, just to the end. And I'm also going to go all the way around with it. I'm taking this medium-sized gem from my Dollar Tree little package of gems here, and I'm just placing it on either side of the top here. I'm also going to take this black diamond wrap, more of it, and just place it in the center in rows of 3 around each little inside part there. These picks that I've used before, I'm repurposing them. They have the gem from the Dollar Tree. They also have a little gem from the Wish app, and then what it is the pick from Dollar Tree. And then this little piece that's right here is also from the Wish app. Yeah, so I'm gonna repurpose these. Ooh, spider webs or glue gun webs. It is October. On the edges of the picks, I'm just placing 2 of the 19mm gems from Walmart. To cover up the pick that I'm repurposing, I need to add another little small gem, and this is the one of the little packages from Walmart that has I think it's like 4 different sizes. So this is the next to the smallest one, and I'll be placing them just all the way around. And did I already do one? No, I didn't. Darn it. No, yes I did. It's right there. Okay, I've lost my mind, but there it is. These little garland pieces that I got from Walmart, they look just like this, and they look like little mirrors, but they're super light, and I am placing them on the edges just like so. And then I am taking some more of the 19mm pieces that I got from Walmart as well, and placing them just like so. So I'll be doing that all the way around.